ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪದು ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಇದು ಕೋಲಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇನು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಡ. ಇದು ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರು, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರು.
ಡಾಲ್ಫಿನ್ ಹಂಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
The name of the tribals came from the North India. They believed that their god should be upon the hill, so they came and they constructed the artificial hill. This is the ziggurat god of the Mesopotamians. They constructed the ziggurat in the upon the hill. This is the Indus civilization. This is our Indian civilization. This is 5,000 years ago. You can observe this past life. Now we had a swimming pool. This way they constructed this back technique. They used to back this balance time. This is the 4 units they used to change their this 4 units. This basket, for this basket the water is supplied from a nearby well. After backing the water is polluted and they used to dump this water into a drainage system. This is the lower city. They used to live in this lower city.
Which is the oldest civilization of Egypt.
Egypt means a civilization.
Is India oldest than Egypt? Oldest civilization.
Yes, but
old civilization Egypt civilization. Oldest civilization.
we not have that topic. Only Egypt civilization.
It comes under Egypt civilization.
But in textbook it is not.
Egypt knowledge is actually it's for any oldest. What do you prefer to textbook?
What we had a concept for that when we did this.
I am world civilization.
What a
कट्टी
मेरा फटेश लखना सौंदर्य नॉलेज का
कक्षा
मैं कक्षा 1 में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं रंग के नाम नीला पीला नारंगी हरा लाल गुलाबी आसमानी नीला सफेद काला भूरा।
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಹೇಳು
धन्यवाद।
ಹಿಂಗ ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ જો આ ક્લીન થાયરું પાણી નાખી જસ્ટ આ જો પાણી ફિલ્ટર થાયરું સ્લો 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 આપો
ಬಾ ಸಾರ್ ಚಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ